I want you to know that it is possible for you to get a business loan to start your business. My name is Jannina. I've been a business coach for over 15 years. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell you my 6-step strategy that you can use to find a loan to start your business. This is what I've taught my coaching clients for years, and now I'm going to tell you for free. I'm doing this because in times like these, more people need to know the right way to access funding that they can use to start their business. In this video, I will not tell you exactly where to go to apply for a business loan that you can use to start your business. Why? Because there are hundreds of options available for you to choose from, and where you go will depend on specific factors pertaining to you and your business. Getting a business loan is not a one-size-fits-all. Everybody just go to this one place to get a loan. That's not how this works. For example, where you go to find a business loan to start a cleaning business would be different from where you go to get a business loan if you want to purchase equipment for your landscaping business. What you're about to hear is the truth that many dishonest business loan lenders don't want you to hear and don't want you to know, because they are preying on you having lack of information to just give you any old thing that can actually ruin your business before it even gets started. And I know you're probably like, Jannina, I see people on YouTube saying they can help me get $50,000, $100,000, $70,000 to start your business. A lot of the times you have to be careful and you have to make sure that you do your due diligence for what they're telling you, because a lot of the guru's main priorities is to get a submission from you submitting your application and getting that business loan. In order to obtain a loan or any type of funding for your business, you need to make sure you have a strategy, and you must be intentional about where you go to get this loan. There are terms and conditions and things that you need to think about as you are looking at the different loan opportunities that's out there. But you can't do it if you don't know. And so that is the whole purpose of this video, is to help you think about and know what it is that you need to look for as you are trying to get a business loan to start your business, because all loans are not created equally. And in reality, like I mentioned earlier, you can hurt your business and put your business in debt before you get started. Because one of the things that you have to consider if you're going to go the route of getting a business loan is that not only are you going to have to pay that loan back in with interest monthly, but you're also going to have to be able to pay that loan and still be able to pay your regular business expenses that you're going to have in order to operate your business. So these predatory lenders don't want you to know this, because they just want you to sign up for, their loan product. They know that you need this money, so they'll put a nice bow on their offer, and they're really selling you junk. And I really, really hate that for small businesses and people who are just trying to get their dream off of the ground. And the sad part is that you won't even realize that it was a junk deal or a bad offer until you're not able to make your loan payments and continue to be able to operate your business. Then what happens? Then they swoop in, drag you to court. If you use your personal information on the loan, now they're trying to go after your personal assets like your house, your car, or they're trying to garnish your wages, or they're trying to take whatever collateral that you put up in order to get that business loan. And not only that, but if you used your, let's just say, your social security number, your personal information, you tied your personal self to that business loan, now it's going to wreck your personal credit and wreck your business credit. And those things are really hard to get back up to where you want them to be and get you in good standing. I don't want this to happen to you. And so now I'm going to get off of my soapbox, and I'm going to tell you the 6 steps that you should take and the things that you should think about as you are trying to get a loan to start your business. So the first thing is to know what you need the loan for. It's not helpful to just say that you want a loan just because you think that having that money in the bank account will be enough for you to start your business. No, you need to know specifically what you need this loan for. Is it to purchase a building? Is it to get equipment? Are you going to use this loan to be able to hire, staff to run your business? Are you looking for a loan to help you get inventory that you may need? There are different companies that offer specific types of loans depending on what it is that you need. For example, if you're trying to secure a commercial property, maybe you need to buy a building. Instead of trying to go and get a bank loan, maybe it may be beneficial for you to try to get a loan through the SBA or something like that. Also, when you know exactly what you need the loan for, when you get the money, you're more likely to make sure you spend your money on the things that you already know that you need. So you've allocated those dollars versus just getting this really big loan. And now you're going to be prone to just spending it on frivolous things or spending it on things that are not going to help you to generate the money and the income that you're going to need to pay back that loan. I see this happen time and time again. So you want to know where your dollars are going to go when you get this loan. And sometimes, depending on where you go, they're going to ask you, what do you need this loan for? What do you plan to do with it? And so you want to make sure that you have a good answer to justify why you're trying to get this business loan. The second thing that you want to do is research who offers the types of loans you need. Now, I said earlier, there are so many different places to get a loan. You can get a loan through a public bank or a private bank. You can get a loan from like a community bank. You can get a loan from what's called a CDFI. You can get a loan from the government. Like there's many different places. And so once you know what you need the money for, now you can start to Google, research, call different places, ask around and say, hey, I am looking to secure a business loan. This is what I'm looking to secure it for. Do you typically approve loans for people in this type of business or that need these types of things? Okay, step 3. Once you know and you have researched who offers the types of loans that you need for your business, now you've made your list and now you can shop around for who's offering the best loans at what interest rates, at what terms or conditions. Please don't take the first loan that somebody offers you or apply for the first loan that you see because you're going to do yourself a disservice. Like make your list, go through the list and make sure you know what it is that you're going to be getting into with that specific company that you're going to be trying to get a loan with. The worst thing that you could do is sign, get the loan, and realize that you signed one of the worst deals in your life. And it happens a lot. The fourth step is then to determine what is it that you need to apply. So after you have gone, you've shopped around, you narrowed down your list, like, okay, these 3 options sound like really good for me. Now you need to identify exactly what it is that is going to be required from you to apply for each one of those opportunities or those loan opportunities. Some places will ask for more, some places will ask for less. And so you're going to want to make sure you know what each one requires so that you can go ahead and have those documents and prepare those documents. So at the time of application, you can submit everything at once instead of going, back and forth. And so it just makes the process easier and it just streamlines your application to help you get a determination a lot faster. The 6th step is to apply. That's pretty self-explanatory, but if you've done the work to get to this point, like step out on faith and do it. Don't just sit and hold on to that and just say, I'm going to wait for the right opportunity. Like, no, go for it. You've done the work. You've listened to this video. You know what you need to do. Now make sure you go and apply for the funds and whatever they tell you to do in order to qualify, make sure you do that. Now, one of the things that I really like about CDFIs is that if you go to one, they will typically hold your hand and help you to walk through the process. And if you go to one that has a service base where they really work closely with entrepreneurs, a lot of the times they'll help you prepare those documents that you need. So when you know where you want to go, put in that application and don't wait. And then step 6 is to wait for a response. A lot of the times the lenders will either typically communicate with you through email or via phone. But once you apply, you want to be able to make sure that you respond in a timely way. So just keep a lookout in your email. But as you are researching the different companies that you want to work with or get a loan from, and when you apply, you want to make sure you ask them, okay, so what is the process like after application? What is it that I, should expect? What are your timelines from application to approval and me signing the loan? Like, what is it that I would need to do to get those loans or the business loan, transferred into my bank account? So to wrap up, the 6 steps that you need to take if you're trying to secure a business loan to start your business. The first thing is to know what you need the loan for. The second thing is to research who offers the types of loan that you need. The third thing is to shop around for the best loan. The fourth thing is to determine what you need to apply for that business loan. The fifth thing is then to go and apply for the business loans that you're interested in. And then the sixth thing is to wait for a response. I really hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you're going to apply for a loan soon for your business, let me know how soon you are planning to apply for your loan. If you need any help on your journey, while I don't offer any types of loans, I can guide you to help you find the best destination for you to go to be able to secure the funding or the loan or the grant that you need to start your business. So click the link down in my description. You can book a one-on-one call, or we can talk a little bit more to help you come up with a funding strategy to secure a grant or a business loan to help you start your business. Again, I hope this video helped. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.